Yo, in this video we're gonna learn how to use Redux Query. So let's begin. First, what we're gonna do is to install application. So let's begin. Npx create okay, my bad. Info app application name. We create application. Port will be 3000. We use React with TypeScript. Okay. Next we use CSS, and we're going to see the front end. Then we open, and right now what we need to install. So npm TypeScript. Okay, the next thing we're going to install some packages. So let's begin. npm Redux Toolkit, and then React Redux and React router DOM, and the last thing would be SAS, but we use later on. And this. The next thing what we're gonna do is install our configurations, TypeScript, init. The next thing what we're gonna do is to configure our file that works with JSX, with React. So yes, take that, and that's it. Okay. The next thing we're gonna right now, no need CSS. Create folder, public, drop down over there, and we're going to configure our file. So in this case public, and then npm run start live. Oh, so you can see it's good, working, nice. Then we should start to create our application, and we're using Redux. So let's begin. First of all, what we're gonna do is going to source file and create store and interface. Okay, good. And in that case we create our types that we use in store and in the whole process when we're creating application. Then what we're gonna do is open store, create file store ts, and we should start again to create. So okay, first we're gonna import create application, import create API. I just watching right now the docs from Redux and copy everything. Base query from okay, then Redux, my bad, Redux Toolkit, then we use query and react. Then what we're gonna do is, okay, something wrong. Oh, it's just loading. Okay, good. Then we're gonna import our types. It will be character from interface. Base query. Okay, it's good. Then we create a function. So export const character API create API like that. Then in the Redux you have multiple reducers. It can set multiple stores. So why creating is reduce path, and the name would be character API. Then we define base URL where is our data is, so base query, then fetch base query, then Redux has now exported. Oh, my bad. Query. Okay, good. And we add our base query URL in that case. So in this case we're gonna use Breaking Bad API, and we need to define a tag type. It's defined invalid tag that is basically defined that kind of entity type. So in this case we will use characters, and now we create endpoints. I'll explain what is this. Wait a second. Builder arrow. Okay. Tag types, and I forgot, but it's okay, good. So what it does, it builds a conjunction with this fetch base query to build, get or delete or put methods that then talk to that API endpoint. Okay, and right now what we're gonna create, it's a query. The main thing, get all builder query, add the list of checks that get back all the list of the characters. So yeah, and character with the list void, and okay, the next thing what we're gonna do is query arrow function that be characters, the endpoint. Now what we're gonna do next, we create a provider some invalidable tags that are describing the pieces. So provide tags add So type will be characters, and ID will be list. Okay, list, like that. Then save it. Okay, good. The last thing what we're gonna do, I think, oh, maybe later on we'll do that. Now we're going to our main application. In this application, we delete everything from there and put first thing. We're going to bring in the API provider, and it's work with RTK queries to provide the same way that our Redux provider would the API, down to all the hooks we are going to use to make a request that those endpoints we just create. Okay, import our API provider, API provider, then we're gonna import character API, and yeah, I think for now that's it. The next thing is what we're gonna do. Okay, right now just do nothing. In the app, we're gonna create a React fragment, put app, and then API provider, that we send API equal character API. What's wrong? Okay, working good. And what next? Next we're gonna create a container. So container, in the container we create file with the name characters container, so all of them. .sx and it's a function we provide in that thing. Import once again character API, character API from store. Okay, that's nice. Then we create automatically a hook for us, you call it. So const data characters equal character API. I write probably wrong. API use get. Okay, store. What's wrong? I don't get it. star what check. Yeah, okay, like always. My bad. Okay, and then use get all query. Then what we're gonna do is to see if it's working. So we create in the div character if it's nothing, and if we have, then characters characters, and I forgot over there, and we map and put right character, we return then in this case just add okay, just JSON or just p character, I don't know, in this case just a name. Okay, go to browser, and of course yeah, I forgot one thing, and to deploy our in the store. So container yeah, we can see we have our names. The next thing what we're gonna do is we should maybe leave right now, but we're gonna create component in the component card, and later on we create loader. Okay, in the card we create character card text6, then routes, create a function, export default character card, then take our types, import character good, then what we wanna display in the card. So we're gonna add character, and will be name, image, birthday, and occupation. Good. And then what we're gonna do, section image will be source, and the source will be image alternative. If we don't see a photo, we can say the name will be. Okay, then we create a div, and the div will be name, then copy, and birthday, occupation, and the last thing what we're gonna do, we change a little bit our div. So in this case we will use not a p paragraph, but moreover we're gonna take a country card, character, character card, edit, and we wanna spread everything, that we get all of them. So character key will be character point char ad. Okay, we forgot put brackets. Okay, like a little bit. Save and then check it. Okay, we can see we have. So I think that's all for now, and bye. Thanks for watching. See you soon.